Hi, I'm Joe, the slot doc, and this video is going to be for how to change a power supply out on an IGT game. On a Game King or any IGT, they're very similar, they're just in different locations. But a power supply symptom, there's a few symptoms you can have that would require you to change the power supply. First thing would be is that you turn it on and obviously nothing comes on. That's going to tell you a dead giveaway of a power supply. Another really common problem, pull this board out, turn the machine on. So you turn your machine on and all you do is get a display's Netflix link is down. It's basically telling you have no low voltage going to your CPU, or in this case the CPU is completely disconnected like we just did. So to change your power supply on a reel spinner, first thing you're going to start with is opening your door. You're going to lift this bottom pin, swing this open. If you have 3 reels or 5, it's the same procedure. But you're going to pull one reel out by simply pulling towards you and lifting up. Now these reels are labeled. If your reels are not labeled, you need to do so right now. So label them 1, 2, in order, from left to right. I'm going to set these here on the top. Now I look like I have plenty of access with 4 reels. If for some reason you don't think you have more access to this here, you could take out other reels. Sometimes I think they are more over to the right, but usually at this point you're good to go. Now you see this, there's a screw on this right side. So this box, to get it out, slides to the left, and then you lift it up and pull it out. So to take the pressure off of this screw, what I do is I put my hand here and I actually push to the right to free it, and then I'll unscrew it while doing so. Now, if you can't unscrew it, that's why I have this tool. Mine was able to just come undone. These come in really handy. They can let you get into little tight areas. You can get right behind here, like so, and you can get it at least started so that you can do it by hand. Now once you're here, simply going to just kind of wiggle it left, pop it out, get this random tracking wire out of my way there, and this is your power supply. So to reinstall it, you see these hooks here. So we're going to set it down, slide it over to the right, and it's going to plug itself in to this plug. So I'm going to set it. Actually, if you want to see where I'm setting it on, you see this upper rail in here? That's what we're setting these on, these tracks here. Push it all the way over, make sure you can see it, make good contact. You don't need to snug that screw down, you just need to get it started on the right or on this left side here. And then just put your reels back in order. These have little tracks on the bottom of them. Turn your machine back on. A good giveaway that your power supply is working now is you have voltage going to your CPU. That's telling you that's working. And as you can see now, you actually see it attempting to load. The game will take off as if nothing was changed. It's not going to have any idea the power supply was changed. It should just take right off and get right back to a working state, and you'll be good to go. I do appreciate you watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if there's anything you want to see, don't hesitate to give me a ring or message us on there. Thank you.